have a poem, and I've got to make a special mention to a little girl called Jess, daughter of Victoria and Daffy. Thank you very much for taking me under your wing. Jess, the most important thing, infinite love. Anytime, any place. If you love, you'll never go wrong. This is the poem. It's the laughter and the love that helps me week after week to feel that I am outwitting the apparent foolishness of life, and just perhaps throwing a line into the future that may be caught and fastened to something that really lasts. And Bob Marley Drake, don't ban things that grow naturally upon the planet. Don't ban them. Live life and love, right? Yes! Peace and love, and it is possible. One day in our lifetimes we will see it happen. Fuck the government!
I do apologise, ladies and gentlemen, for the little bit obscure language there.
Bananaman!